This is how you're going to correctly verify CX.io account. First, you're going to log into your CX.io account, and then you're going to go to your profile or the verification section. So you can usually find verification from your profile right here at the top right corner of your screen. Just click on verification right here. Now we're going to follow the three verification tiers: the identity, address, as well as the enhanced verification. So first, for the identity, you're going to have to upload your government issued ID, facial recognition, as well as your address information. Now, if you want to verify your address, you're just going to have to upload a recent proof of residence document, such as your utility bill as well as your bank statement. Just make sure that your address is there, as well as your name, your full name. Now, after that, you can do enhanced as well. You're going to verify your source of funds. So for this one, you're going to have your employment status as well as your proof of employment. Now, after all you submit all of your documents, you're just going to have to wait for CX.io to review and approve, usually within a few hours or days. And that's it. That is how you're going to correctly verify CX.io account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.